श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्ताम् सदा हृदि स्वादयन्निह सर्वेषाम् त्रय्यन्तार्थम् सुदुर्ग्रहम् स्तोत्रयामास योगीन्द्रः तम् वन्दे यामुनाह्वयम् नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः यत्पदाम्भोरुहध्यान विध्वस्ताशेषकल्मषः वस्तुतामुपयातोऽहम् यामुनेयम् नमामि तम्
श्रीमत्कृष्ण समाह्वाय नमो यामुनसूनवे यत्कटाक्ष एकलक्ष्याणां सुलभः श्रीधरः सदा नमः यामुन पाद अब्ज रेणुभिः पावित आत्मने विदित अखिल वेद्याय गुरवे विदित आत्मने नमः अचिन्त्य अद्भुत अक्लिष्ट ज्ञान वैराग्य राशये नाथाय मुनये अगाध भगवत भक्ति सिंधवे.
When shall I see with my eyes the lotus feet of thine, my dearest treasure, which sportfully strode over the worlds, high and low, and which are waiting eagerly the moment for destroying the affiliations of those who submit themselves unto thee.
Vilasa Vikranta Paravaralaya Namasyat Artikshapane Kritaksham Dhanam Madiyam Tava Pada Pankajam Kada Nu Sakshat Karavani Chakshusha. When, the word when, Kada, the last quarter, Kada means when. The Nu, the letter Nu, is what we call a doubtful question. Kada Nu. Why? Because we say that we have committed a lot of sins and there may be a delay of getting what we call Sakshatkar. Sakshatkar is what we call direct perception of the Lord and direct experience of the bliss of the Lord. So Nu is a beautiful what we call abhyayam, indeclinable. It is a small single-lettered word which means there is a doubt. When shall I see? Chakshusha Karavani Sakshat. Chakshusha, with my eyes, Chakshusha. The word my is understood there. It is not, so Chakshusha means by whose eyes? By my eyes. Sakshat Karavani means, you can say, witness. Sakshat Karavani, direct perception. So when shall I see with my eye? Now, of course, this eye, my eye, eyes, when it is eye, Chakshushu. This is what we call in Sanskrit Mamsa Chakshushu that we have. We have physical eyes. But these two eyes, which we have physically, are not eligible to look at the Lord. Unfortunately, they cannot realize the real figure of the Lord. Therefore, we have to have inner eye. Our mental eye is the real eye by which you can understand the Lord. The divine Divya Mangala Vigraha of the Lord can be understood only by the inner eye. And therefore, what we call the naked eye, when we say naked eye, the naked eye will not help us to see the Lord because he is in Vaikuntha. So Sakshat Karavani Chakshusha is, when do I go to Vaikuntham and see him? That's it. So Kadanu Sakshat Karavani Chakshusha. When shall I see with my eyes? What do you see with my eyes? Tava pada pankajam. Lord, the lotus feet of thine. Tava, thine. So your father, foot or feet. Pankajam, lotus. Again, Pankajam is red lotus. Aravindam is red lotus. And Pankajam is also red lotus. The difference between the meaning of this word Aravindam is the Pankajam, a lotus flower is born in the mud. Panka means mud. So Pankatu Jayate iti Pankajam. A beautiful, colorful, sweet smelling flower comes out of mud. Mud may have some smell, but mud is not beautiful. Mud is not bright. Mud can have bad smell also. But from a source like mud, a beautiful, colorful, good smelling, with aroma, a lotus flower is born. Pankatu Jayate, Pankajam. The Pada Pankajam, your lotus feet. So either you take it as a Rupakam, metaphor, or as simile. So lotus-like feet will be simile. Lotus is the feet, or feet are lotuses. The Pada Pankajam. Kadanu Sakshat Karavani Kakata, when shall I see with my eyes? That is what we call the human eyes. Maybe we want to realize God here itself before the end of life. So the lotus feet of thine, Tava Pada Pankajam. Now, what is that? So, Dhanam Madi. It is my possession. It is my property. It is all in all to me. We say in single syllable, Swam. Dhanam is Swam. Dhanam is money, property, wealth, therefore treasure. So, Madiyam Dhanam, my treasure. My treasure is the lotus feet. This is what Ramanuja, how Ramanujacharya followed Yamunacharya, and he said, he considered that Lord's divine feet, that is Achyuta, especially the word Achyuta. Achyuta meaning he will never give up the devotee. He will not leave the devotee in lurch. So he will not allow the devotee to suffer. And that is the meaning of Achyuta. So yo Nityam, Ramanujacharya forever, 24/7. Achyuta Padambuja Yugma Rukma. Considered that the two divine feet of the Lord are his, what we call gold. Gold means gold reserve, that is property. So I have a gold jewel, but that jewel is called divine feet of the Lord. So my dearest treasure, Dhanam Madi, then which is forcefully thrown over the world. With first quarter, Vilasa Vikranta Paravaradayam. Now again I say Vilasa Vikranta Para Avara Alayam. Right. So Vilasa Vikranta Para Avara Alayam. Paravaradayam. Now Vilasa is what we call gentleness. That is what we have here, forcefully. Very, very, very well said. Forcefully, Vilasa. Vilasa meaning style. Then otherwise you can say graceful. Vilasa is graceful. While Mahabali Chakravarti was so haughty, arrogant, that he was performing what we call Vishwajit Yaga, and also say Ashwamedha Yaga, whatever. Lord took the form of Vamana Avatara, a god. He was born to Aditi, the wife of Kashyapa the sage, and then he was born as a brahmachari. So he went to Mahabali, sought 3 steps of his size of the land. That's what he wants. So Mahabali Chakravarti could not fulfill his promise, his own promise that he will give everything. He give gift everything. The 14 worlds have been measured by just 2 steps by Lord Vamana. So he became Trivikrama. So what happened? The first quarter, Vilasa, the gentle gate. Vikranta, it overcame all the world. It was beyond all the world. The first 7 worlds have been measured by 1 foot. The other 7 worlds have been measured by another foot or 2 feet. So 2 steps. So that's what we say. Vikranta crawled over. Vikranta is crawled over. Vikranta also meaning siege was there. Siege. S-C-I-G. The enemies were caught. So Vilasa Vikranta, the gentle gate which strode over. The better, beautiful translation is strode over. Right? So it became beyond, went beyond all the world. Strode over. The strode over was the world. Para, Avara, Alay. Please remember, even Vaikuntham has not been left untouched. The 2 feet of Vamana Avatara became the divine feet of Trivikrama Avatara, the incarnation as Trivikrama. The word Trivikrama meaning 3 steps, 3 giant steps, 3 Vikram. So Trivikrama, what happened was Para, Avara, Alaya. Para, the highest. Even Vaikuntham has been measured. So Para, Avara is lower status. Avara means young, you can say young, junior. So Para is the highest abode, namely Vaikuntham. Avara is Bhumi, the earth in which we live. So Alayam is the place. So Paravaralayam, Vilasa Vikranta. Lord Vamana, in the name of Trivikrama, has crawled over all the world, crawled over Vikranta with an inimitable style, Vilasa. Please remember, gracefully he has crawled over. Meaning, he did not make effort in becoming a Vamana, being born as Vamana, dwarf, and later on becoming a good priest. He became as tall as the world itself. Then, so what happened? He said Para and Avara, it becomes Para high and Avara low, high and low. Whether they are low worlds, namely what we call Patala, nether world, the underground world, or the high world, namely Vaikuntham. So Para, Avara, and which are waiting eagerly the moment, waiting eagerly. There is no word specifically for waiting eagerly. Kritakshanam. Kritakshanam is he has planned. Kritakshanam. Kshanam is a moment. A single second is called Kshanam. Kritakshanam is there he has decided. What did he decide? Arti Chapani. Destroying. Chapanam is destruction. So Arti Chapani is destroying the affliction. maybe it is affiliation also. So affiliation also you can say any connection, any link with people who are, I mean, devotees. God wants to destroy those afflictions, maybe affliction. All troubles will be removed by Lord, by Lord. So arti means suffering. Arti means suffering. Kapane is reducing the suffering. So whose suffering will be reduced? Namasyat, of those who bow, of those who are devoted. Namasyat, because we salute. So Namasyat Arti Kapane, in order to remove the sins committed by our younger generation. So what is the only way out? Salute. Namaste. So this is the meaning. Now, who submit themselves to thee? That is what we call Namaste. Namaste. Those who have saluted you. Those who submit themselves unto thee. So totally, this is a question by Sri Yamunacharya. Kadanu sakshat karavani chakshusa. When shall I see with my physical eyes the divine figure of the Lord Sriman Narayana? It's a question. Now, the question is answered in the positive way, and that means in the moment that the individual soul bows down its head toward the Lord, then toward the divine feet of the Lord, then the same moment, the what we call the bliss comes. The vision, the divine vision comes. So there is no time gap. There is no time gap. வில்லாச விக்ராந்த பராவராலய விளையாட்டாக அளக்கப்பட்ட மேலானவனான தேவர்களுடைய. So when Vilasa has been translated earlier by us forcefully, he says, Pendivachandra says, just for fun, just for game, just for just like that, without making any effort. Leela which is force. விளையாட்டாக அளக்கப்பட்ட மேலானவனான தேவனுடைய. He measured the whole creation. Lord Vamana measured all the world. And கீழான மனுஷாதிகளிடையமும் உலகங்களை உடையது. So the avara meaning I told you, lower part. Lower part includes Manushya, the human being, and again further down, what they call hell or Patala, the sinners are there. Then Namasyatu Arti Kshapane. So Namasyatu, Vananginavaradin, Arti Dukkangalai, Pokum Shekale, Kshapane. So in order to remove the sufferings of the people, those who are surrendered to God, they will be helped. So Kitakshanam, காலத்தை செலவிடுவது. It is spending time. மதியம் தனம் எனக்கு செல்வமாக இருப்பதுமான தவ பாத பங்கஜம் உன்னுடைய திருவடி தாமரையை கதானு எப்போதுதான் சக்ஷுஷா கண்ணாலே வசந்தராணி சாட்சாத்கரவாணி காணப்போகுது.
I was just going to say it's a rhetorical question. The question that he puts out is he's making a question, but it's a rhetorical question. It doesn't need an answer.
Avatarika, Vilasa iti. Vilasa Vikranta Paravaralaya. இப்படி விளம்ப ஹேதுவில்லாத சித்தோபாயத்தை பரிகிரகித்தவராக. Now, as soon as we surrender to God, the fruit of surrender is obtained. That is the concept here by the Yamunasa. Though he is saying, asking the question, Kadanu Sakshat Karavani Chakshusha in the fourth quarter, he is already confident and he has got what he calls Mahavishwasa. So how is it called in surrender? Rakshishyati iti Mahavishwasa. So there are two aspects of the Lord. Number one, there is no delay on the part of the Lord. There is no delay on the part of the Lord to bless the devotee. Second one is Siddhopaya. Already Lord's protection is assured. So we need not doubt the means of attaining the Lord. Siddhopaya is means to attain the Lord. So Siddhopaya. So already has been fixed. And then Parigrahitavarahyale, the individual soul has received Almighty into his soul because of two main qualities. Number one, the Lord Sriman Narayana will grant anything immediately. Ashutoshi, you can call him, or you can say Chipra Prasadi. Chipra Prasadi. Because Lord Vishnu is associated with Lord Shiva, these titles will also fit in. Chipra Prasadi is favoring someone immediately. Chipra Prasadi. Also here, as soon as we surrender, the Acharya, the preceptor, will start advising. So, Krama Prapti Patrade Tvarai Prerika. Now, we are talking about the illiterate as well as people like us who do not know the order of the steps. The order of the steps of surrender. When the regular aim, the aim is not regularly attained, namely Krama Prapti Patradi. Generally, we must approach a preceptor soon after approaching the preceptor. We must ask the details of the Archa form. And then, what happens is, an illiterate does not understand the 5 steps of surrender. So, Krama Prapti Patrade, Tvarai Prerika. But he feels a fish out of water in life here. Therefore, he wants peace immediately. And therefore, he starts praying very fast. Tvarai Prerika. His attitude has become faster attitude. Then, Kuvikolum Kalam Innum Kulhavu. This is already has been said. Alvar is asking the Lord Almighty to take him to his abode again. He wants to take his, we pray that he should take us, he should call us. a divine call will come and we will go. The Prapatti Palamana Parabhaktiyale, so the total surrender will result in also what we call Parabhakti. Parabhakti is the highest devotion. Kanai Kadal Kanbadendu Kanbadendu Kalkanda. Alvar is saying, we are going to see the quotation also. The same idea, Sakshat Karavani Chakshusa Kada. Kadanu Sakshat Karavani Chakshusa. Last line, last quarter. So here, Kanai Kadal Kanbadendu Kolkanda. Endru Kolkanda. Kanai Kadal. Kanai Kadal is the, what we call the anklet in the divine feet of the Lord. When am I going to have darshan of the pearl necklace? Sorry, jingling anklet. Jingling anklet. So, Kanbadendru Kolkanga. When will my eyes hear the sound, sweet sound of the anklets, and we will have a vision of. So when will my eyes have a look at the divine feet of Lord with the anklet? The divine feet of the Lord are always with the anklet. Karnakardumen Kanni. Again, Thiruvaimozhi, Nammalvar Thiruvaimozhi. It is difficult to understand directly Thiruvaimozhi. And therefore, Karnakardumen Kanni, என்றும் சொல்லுகிறபடியே கண்ணாலே காண்பது என்று என்கிறான் என்று நாம் காவி திகைக்க அவியர்க்கு வைக்கும் சிற்றின்பம் பாவியேனை பலனை காட்டி கொடுப்பாயோ காவி வையங்கொண்ட கடந்தாமரை கேட்கே கூவிக்கொள்ளும் காலம் இன்னும் சொல்வார். So we pray to the Lord to reduce the span of life. Kuvikallam Purhava meaning, please invite me as soon as possible. I'll come to Vaikuntha if you invite me. So I shall read it. நிழல் வெயில் சிறுமை பெருமை குறுமை நெடுமையுமாய் கடல்வன நிற்பன மற்றுமாய் அவையல்லனுமாய் மழலை வாய் வண்டுவாழ் திருவண்ணகர் மன்னுமினான் கழல்கள் அன்றி மற்றோர் கடை கணிலம் காண்கின்றன. That's it. Now we are talking about the opposite pairs in Bhagavad Gita. The same way we have this. Now this particular decade of Thiruvaimozhi, 6310 or 63 talks about a Divya Kshetra called Ukkiliyappan Koval near Kumbakonam. So he is talking about Thiruvennagar. Thiruvennagar is Akasha Nagaram, Akashapuri, and that is called Ukkiliyappan. So here there are two pairs of opposites. Nidal Veyil, shadow which is cool, Veyil, the sunlight which is hot. So hot and cold or cold and hot. Then Shirumai Perumai, the lower status and the higher status. Shirumai Perumai. Kurumai Nedumai, short and long. Short and long. These are all opposites. Then Shuralvana Nirpana, Mattumai Avai Allanumai. You can show me the two-line English translation. Yeah. So you say shade and sunlight, Nidal Veyil, Shirumai Perumai, small and big, long and short, Kurumai Nedumai, as walking and standing, Shuralvana Nirpana, moving and unmoving, mattrumai avai allanoi, as other things and not any of them. Then Maralai Vai Vanduvar Thiruvinnagar Mannugiran. The Lord wants to stay in a place called Uppiliyappan Kovil. Lord resides in Thiruvinnagar with the sweetly humming bees. Vandu bees, humming Maralai Vai. The beauty is Lord is young, so also the bees are also young. Maralai Vai Vandu, humming bees. Var is living in the place called Divya Kshetram called Uppiliyappan, Thiruvannagar. Maralai Vai Vandu Var. So with humming of the bee in sweet manner. So his feet alone protect us all. Or see the truth in the last line we have. Kanakkaradumen Kanni. Last line. Unnai Kanakkaradumen Kanni. So this is Mayyar Karunganni Kamala Malarmel Seyyar Thirumarvinil Se Thirumale Veyyar Sudarari Surisangamenum Kayya Unnai Kanakkaradumen Kanni. My eye wants to have your figure as a feast to my eye. Unnai Kanakkaradumen Kanni, meaning my eyes aspire to see you. And how are you? Mayyar Karunganni Kamala Malarmel Seyyar Thirumarvinil Se Thirumale. You are Sriman Narayana, in whose auspicious chest Thirumarvinil, Seyyar Mahalakshmi, the goddess of fortune, Kamala Malarmel, sitting on the lotus flower, and she has got the eyes as lotus, lotus-like eyes, but they are like black lotus, and they have been decorated with eye text. So Mayyar Karunganni. So the collyrium has been applied to the eyes of goddess of fortune, and she is sitting on the lotus, and she has joined the chest of the Lord Sriman Narayana, and then he is asking, he is addressing the Lord, Veyyar Sudarari. Now you are also holding, you two are also holding. On the right hand, the blazing chakram, we call it Sudarsana. And on the left hand, left shoulder, the conch is there. Panchajanyam conch is there. Conch is made up of a demon's bone.
So you were mentioning Carillium. For those people who don't know, that means the cudgel, or in English we call it mascara, which the ladies wear around the eyes.
Yeah, but it is only
it's a cosmetic.
Collyrium. Collyrium. Mayyar Karunganni. So since collyrium has been applied to the eyes of the goddess of fortune, the goddess has got black eyes. Black eye is the beauty in India. Black eye. So Mayyar Karunganni, Kamala Malarmel. So on the lotus flower, Seyyar is sitting. But what does it go on? I mean, why does she go on sitting on the lotus flower? So Thirumarvinil Chetanwan. When he has joined the chest of the Lord, when he has joined the chest of the Lord, so, oh Lord Narasimha, then beyond Chodorari, we already saw that the blazing wheel has been held in high esteem on the left hand, and on the right hand, Suri Sankamin. And finally, Unnaikana Kardum and Karne meaning. My eyes not simply means I want to see you, but I want to see you fully and permanently. That's the meaning of Unnaikana. So with that, the page is over. And we have Stotra 11. Stotra 11 is there. Swabhavika Anavadika Adhyaya Ishidutva. Kada Sakshat Karavani Chakshuta. The first line, Paravaralayam. Paravaralayam. The first word is, the first word of Paravaralayam. Vilasa Vikranta Paravaralayam. Okay. That is not necessary. But Avara, what is Avara? That is has been explained in 11. Avara. How low the other creations are. How low are the other creations are. How small the other creations are. How is Lord the highest or biggest. How all other creations are low. That is what we call 11. Mahimarnava Vipushaste. Brahma, Shivaha, Satamakaha, Paramaha, Swaratiti, Yetepi, Yasya Mahimarnava Vipushaste. Take for example, Lord Creator, Lord Destroyer, Lord Indra, the God of gods, who has performed 100 sacrifices, Ashwamedha sacrifices. So all of them are just small drops of the big ocean. Small drops of the big ocean. For Brahma, Shiva, Indra, the supreme muktas are there. Paramaswarat are but the drops in the ocean. So this particular expression has been given in just one word, Avara Alay. Avara Alay. Para is the highest. In order to understand the difference between the highest and the smallest, the highest and the lowest, the biggest and the smallest. So what is the particular word? Vipurushaha. Mahimarnava Vipurushaha. When Lord is very great, Brahma, Shiva, and all other people are only the drops in the ocean. Small drops in the ocean. That means they are very little, of very little importance. That's what also here we say when Vilasa Vikranta Paravaralayam. So we'll go to the verse number 30. The text. Vilasa Vikranta Paravaralayam. Namasya Dati Kshapadek Saksha. So since the divine feet of the Lord, namely in the form of Trivikrama, have measured all the 14 worlds in 2 strokes, in 2 steps. And therefore, but still what we want to say that that there is humility in people. Humility in people. So we know the difference between the Lord and ourselves, namely, there is a long difference, a large difference between the highest and the lowest. That is the meaning of. We will take up the explanation part of 30 in the next one. Only when we feel the humility, the Lord will condescend to us and grant the boon. And therefore, we must know the vast difference between the Almighty and the individual. Srimad Krishna Samarthaya. Namo Yamanasuna. Yat Kataksheka Lakshanam. Sulabhas Sridharas Sada.
स्वादयन्निह सर्वेषाम् त्रय्यन्तार्थम् सुदुर्ग्रहम् स्तोत्रयामास योगीन्द्रः तम् वन्दे यामुनाह्वयम् नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः यत्पदाम्भोरुहध्यान विध्वस्ताशेषकल्मषः वस्तुतामुपयातोऽहम् यामुनेयम् नमामि तम्
Srimad Krishna Samarthaya. Namo Yamunasunave. Yat Kataksha Eka Lakshanam. Sulabha Sridhara Sada. Namaha Yamuna Pada Abja Venubhihi Pavita Atmane Vidita Akhila Vedyaya Gurave Vidita Atmane.
कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः।